Hi guys, welcome to the cubic horizon video. In this video, I will try to solve one math problem from Seamo math paper F. It goes like this. The radii of circles with centers of O1 and O2 are 7 and 14 respectively. A circle with center O3 circumscribes the two circles. The objective is to find the radius of the circle with the center O4, as in the figure. To solve this problem, first we connect the center of each three circles O1, O2, and O4 like this. We can conclude the distance between O1 and O4 is 7 plus R. Between O4 and O2 is R plus 14. And between O1 and O2 is 7 plus 14, like that. It is because the radius of circle O1 is 7 and the radius of circle O2 is 14. Whilst the radius of circle O4 is not yet known. We assign the radius of O4 as R. Now you can try first to solve this problem by your own, using whatever mathematical method you have learned in senior high school. Okay. After this moment, I will show how to solve this problem properly. Okay, ready? The key to solve this mathematical problem is to draw a line from O3, which is the radius of the big circle O3 that circumscribes O1, O2, and O4 through the O4 center, like this. We know that the radius of circles O3 is 21. So the distance between O3 and O4 must be 21 minus R. Now we can apply cosine rule for triangle O1, O3, O4 and O1, O2, and O4, because the both triangles have common angle O1. We assign the angle as alpha. Applying the cosine rule for those two triangles, we have, this is for triangle O1, O2, and O4, R plus 14 squared is equal to R plus 7 squared plus 21 squared minus 2 times R plus 7 times 21 times cosine alpha. The second equation is the cosine rule for triangle O1, O3, and O4, which is 21 minus R squared is equal to R plus 7 squared plus 14 squared minus 2 times R plus 7 times 14 times cosine alpha. Now we see that in these two equations we have two unknowns, R and alpha. Because we want to find out R, we have to eliminate alpha. Notice these two equations have different coefficient for alpha, so we can make them the same, like this. We multiplied the second equation with 3 over 2, so we will have the cosine alpha term will become same as the first equation, like that. Okay, now I will remove the circles to solve this equation. We have equation 1 and 2. Now we combine them by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So we will have r plus 14 squared minus 3 over 2 times 21 minus r squared is equal to r plus 7 squared plus 21 squared minus this 3 over 2 times r plus 7 squared minus 3 over 2 times 14 squared. Now we multiply all the terms in this equation with 2 to remove the denominator. So we will have like this equation. All of the term has been multiplied by 2. And then we move all the term from the right hand side of the equation all to the left hand side of the equation like this. Also we combine this term and this term. So it will become one term, r plus 7 squared. Now we can just solve this equation. We can multiply square this term r plus 14 like this. Also 21 minus r squared times 3, we will get 3 terms like this, and etc. And then we can combine the same terms. 2r squared minus 3r squared plus r squared is cancelled out. So we will have 176r minus 1176 is equal 0. So r is 1176 over 96. So we get that the radius of circle O4 is 6, and that's the answer for the problem. Okay guys, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video with different mathematical problem. Bye.